very encouraged, and he uh, have a trust in the teamwork, and he also have trust in his capabilities, what he can do, and he generally by generally in our life, when we have a difficult task or we face difficulty in any task, we tend to give up hope, and we always give up the thought of trying to complete that task, or that to get out of that situation. And ma'am, we do not realize that it's just a bump in the path, and
Hmm.
nothing else, ma'am. And uh, uh, and it also shows that it's never too late to try. Like, ma'am, if the person had asked the boy just 10 minutes before the match was going to end, the boy would have given the same reply, as he was very encouraged, and was and then gave up the hope. So that's what I feel, ma'am. We should not be discouraged by any of the, like, ma'am, like setbacks we face in our lives.
Hmm. Hmm. Very well said. Very well said, Abhinav. And yes, these are mere hurdles only. We should not get discouraged by them. We
Yes,
should
ma'am.
take them as a challenge only
Yes,
and
ma'am.
keep moving. Very well said, Abhinav. Alina, Vishali, Rupak. Vishali, you talk about it now. What you have understood.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I saw only half video, so I did not understand.
Okay, so you do one thing, listen to all others. Okay? Then you can get little idea. Then I'll play the video once again for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Alina, Rupak, you can start now. Don't give much thought about it. It's just that whatever you have in your mind, speak it up. Alina, Rupak, come on, speak.
Give me a 1 minute.
Okay.
Shall I start?
Sure.
Okay. A boy was playing football match with another team, and the team was leading us. And a guy, after listening the answer, he was astonished. So he was very uh, he was very astonished, and uh, her mouth was wide open after listening the answer of a boy. and he was very amazed, and
Hmm.
that's it.
You can talk a little more about it, Alina. You can.
Yes.
You can also say that even I was um, in a situation in the middle of two difficult situations या कुछ भी जो आपको लगता है. I also uh, had faced one such challenge where I thought of giving up. तो आप उसके बारे में डिस्कस कर सकते हो, है ना?
Mm,
No problem. Think about it. Meanwhile, let me ask Rupak. Rupak,
a man watching a local match, and he saw a boy and asking him to what is the score. So he reply to the man. So the score is 3-0, and so man said to him, so they are leading by 3-0.
hmm.
So, but children was smiling on his face, and
Hmm.
so surprisingly, the man mm, said, "Really?" Mm,
Hmm. Hmm.
uh, so, the man think that how he know surprisingly the man think that he know that
Hmm.
uh, मतलब वो क्यों सर उसके फेस पे स्माइल क्यों थी वो सरप्राइजिंग ही थिंक दैट
आप बोलना क्या चाह रहे हो? Tell me.
मतलब उसके चेहरे पे स्माइल थी
He
तो
was having
उसे
a charming smile.
he was having a charming smile
Hmm.
so So the man think that why should I displace repel the final match with Juliet?
Hmm.
And so so the children said to him, I have confidence of my team,
Confidence in.
confidence in my team. So ending of match, the match won by a boy or children. So
Hmm.
so the man was absolutely amazed.
हाँ.
So his mouth wide open. So he thought how this child know
Hmm.
blow the final whistle over self.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, so this story told us that never give up.
Hmm.
Nothing is possible
Nothing is
or
impossible.
impossible.
Hmm. कुछ भी नामुमकिन नहीं है.
नहीं.
Wonderful. Okay. Now moving on to the next activity. And the next activity is a conversation between two people. So I am pairing you up. First pair is Abhinav and Rupak. Second it is Vishali and Alina. अब आपको आपस में कॉन्वर्जेशन करनी है, बातचीत करनी है ऑन अ सिचुएशन. Situation is that Alina, you are new to this society You are new to this society and you want someone to accompany you to the nearby market as you are not aware about it. Since you have just shifted, so you're not aware about the market nearby as you want to purchase some grocery for your house. Okay? Same is the situation
Okay.
with Abhinav and Rupak. First of all, how you're supposed to start, you need to greet. आप हाय अलीना हाय वैशाली करके नहीं शुरू करेंगे बिकॉज यू डोंट नो ईच अदर. हाय अभिनव हाय रूपक करके शुरू नहीं करना बिकॉज यू डोंट नो ईच अदर. रूपक ने जस्ट शिफ्ट किया है अभिनव की ही बिल्डिंग में. अभिनव उनके इमीडिएट नेबर हैं, तो वहां पर रूपक उनके घर की घंटी बजाएंगे. he'll ring the doorbell. वहां पर अभिनव बाहर आएंगे. देन रूपक विल से हाय दिस साइड रूपक व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम. देन यू विल ग्रीट ईच अदर. देन रूपक बताएंगे मैंने अभी शिफ्ट किया है और मुझे थोड़ी सी हेल्प की जरूरत है. देन अभिनव उनको बताएंगे कि हाँ इस तरह का मार्केट है, हमारी बिल्डिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स में भी कुछ स्टोर्स हैं तो आपको बाहर जाने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. वट एवर यू कैन टॉक हियर. दिस काइंड ऑफ कॉन्वर्जेशन यू आर सपोज टू डू. ठीक है? Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yep. Starting first with boys only, Abhinav and Rupa.
Train.
Yes.
Hello, this side is Rupak, and I just shifted here now. I need a help. I want to purchase some grocery from the market. I am new here. I don't know anything about here.
Hi, Rupak. I'm Abhinav. When did you shift here?
I shifted just now, and I put my सामान को क्या बोलते हैं?
Groceries.
Grocery.
I put my grocery here in my flat. So you are my neighbors. I call you and
I've
ask
been living
for
here
help.
since 5 years, and if you want groceries, we have a complex in our society just down below, just at the entrance of the society. What type of grocery do you want? Like you need vegetables or stuff that we also have a vegetable shop and a normal grocery shop like daily home stuff like, and we also have a barber shop, and there is also an electrician in our society if you want. I can give you the number you can call, and the grocery shop also provides home delivery above 500 rupees if you want. I can give you the number.
Okay. So may I know the number?
Yeah,
And
sure.
will you help me to go to the market with me and
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. It's just down below, just at the entrance of the society. I can go with you.
okay,
Should be fine.
we can go.
That's it.
You can even talk about gym. Is there any gym nearby so that I can just work upon my
Okay.
myself?
Is there any gym nearby?
Yeah. We have a sports complex in our society. We also have swimming pool and many courts there. Uh, if you want, you can join me. I'll go at 7 p.m. to gym.
So so I have to when I join, I have to join. मतलब, if I
It's
join
included in your.
gym, then I have to
It's in,
pay.
no. It's included in your maintenance charge which you give monthly. So there is no need to pay extra.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is there any playground so we can play in evening volleyball
There is
and
no
cricket.
such a playground in the society, but it's nearby, like 1 kilometer away from the society. It's a big ground. We can play cricket, football there. But if you want to play badminton, tennis, or we have courts in our society. You can play.
Okay. That's it, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
In the end, you can say, okay, thank you so much for your help. Thank you so much for your assistance, Abhinav. ऐसे करके आप end कर सकते हो, ठीक है रूपक?
Yes, ma'am.
How you can
Yes.
say? You can say thank you so much for your kind support.
Thank you for thank you so much for your kind support.
Oh, that's no problem. After all, we are going to be neighbors.
Yeah, good one.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, now next one is next conversation will be done by Vishali and Alina. So Vishali, Alina, you have heard both of the boys. Now it's your turn.
Um, Hi, Vishali.
No, not addressing by name, but you have to just ring the doorbell.
Okay.
Ring,
Okay.
ring, like that.
Tring, tring.
Uh, hello.
Hello. Hi. I'm
Uh,
this side, Alina. So I want to ask something you. I'm
okay.
just shifting in this society, so I don't know where's the shop of grocery items, and I want to buy some grocery. So can you tell me where's the market of grocery items?
Oh, yes. Okay, Alina. My name is Vaishali, and
Okay. Okay.
when you shifted here,
Yeah.
When did you shift here, Alina?
Oh, I'm just shifting.
I have just shifted in the morning itself.
I have just shifted in the morning.
Hmm.
okay, Alina. I tell you, the about this building, and
Okay.
uh, uh, in block in our building block D, there are many stores in our building. You you can you can you can purchase some groceries and medicals,
Okay.
medicines, and
And
you
what types of shops are there?
what, sorry.
Which types of shops are there in this
uh,
society?
there are many stores like medicines, and parlor, and
Okay.
you can morning and evening you can do gyms. Mm,
Okay. Uh, what was the fees of gym?
no, it is free of cost because they are they are we are living in living
Okay.
here.
The fees are including in maintenance.
Yes,
Fees
Okay.
is included.
Fees is included in maintenance. Okay. So it is free of cost.
yes, it's already included fees.
Okay. Okay.
Fees are already
So
included.
are you going are you going gym? No. Are you go gym regularly?
Yes, I go gym, but sometimes I miss that.
Can you join with me to go gym?
Yes.
Yes, uh, I मैम आप मैं साथ में लेके चलूंगी, मैं कंपनी दूंगी साथ में, ऐसा कुछ
I'll
बोल।
accompany you. I'll
आई विल
accompany you.
आई विल accompany you.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay,
that's great. That's good. So nice to meet you.
thank you, Alina.
Okay.
I
Same here, Alina. Vishali, same here.
Yes, ma'am. Same here.
Same here.
And
Okay.
मैम नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलते हैं या
हाँ.
ऐसा कुछ.
Okay, I'll see you again.
See you again.
I'll see you
See you
again.
again.
See you again too.
Good, mom. Okay. Really nice. Yes. This is it. Now moving on to the next activity. You remember a few days ago only I had shared some daily use conversational sentences. Alina, remember?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yep. So let's continue those sentences only. What was the last one?
Show some mercy, ma'am.
Show some mercy. कुछ तो दया दिखाओ. और उससे पहले वाला क्या था? Which movie is on today? ये हो गया था है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम पहले था what a pity.
Okay, okay, got it, got it. What a pity. ठीक है. Now, next is अगर हमें किसी को बोलना हो थोड़ा सा खिसक जाओ, थोड़ा सा खिसक जाओ, या थोड़ा सा उस तरफ हो जाओ, एक तरफ हो जाओ, इसको हम कैसे बोलेंगे?
Let's move ahead.
Okay. Either you can say shift a little, or you can say move aside. ठीक है? Shift a little or move aside. थोड़ा सा उधर खिसक जाओ. And when guests come in our house और हम उनको कहते हैं make yourself comfortable, you must have heard that people say when guests arrive in your house आप उनको बोलते हैं please make yourself comfortable. हम ऐसा क्यों कहते हैं? What's the meaning?
Ma'am, that they don't hesitate or they don't feel awkward if they are in some other
हाँ.
house.
Right. It means that आप उनको कहना चाहते हैं आराम से बैठिए, आराम से ही बैठिए. ठीक है? Make yourself comfortable. आराम से बैठिए. Next is जब आपको किसी को कहना हो कि कुछ तो ख्याल करो, कुछ तो ख्याल करो मीन्स यू वांट टू टेल द अदर पर्सन कि आप कितने इनसेंसिटिव हो, यू आर सो इनसेंसिटिव, आपको किसी का ख्याल नहीं है, कुछ तो ख्याल करो. इसको आप कैसे कह सकते हैं?
Take care of self.
Absolutely.
You can say have a heart, have a heart. और इसको hurt नहीं बोलना, heart बोलना है. ठीक है? Have a heart. वहीं जब आपके गेस्ट निकलने को होते हैं बट आप नहीं चाहते वो निकले, आप कहते हैं कि थोड़ा और ठहरिए, तो आप कैसे बोलेंगे? थोड़ा और ठहरिए, थोड़ा और रुकिए.
Stay for a while.
हाँ, yeah. Please stay a little longer. अपने मन की बात कहो, अपने मन की बात कहो. दूसरों की मत सुनो, अपने मन की बात कहो. इसको कैसे कहेंगे? अपने मन की बात कहो. Speak your mind and heart. Speak your mind and heart. अपने मन की बात कहो. फिर हम ऐसे भी कहते हैं कई बार किसी को जब कोई बदतमीजी करता है, when somebody misbehaves with us, we say that जुबान पर काबू रखो, जुबान पर काबू रखो. How would you say that in English?
Mind your language.
Mind your language, mind your words.
Your tongue. Your tongue.
हाँ, yes, good, Abhinav. Mind your words, mind your tongue, or hold your tongue. These are multiple alternates. Mind your words, hold your tongue. जबान पर काबू रखें. Next one is उसने मुझे बदनाम कर दिया. उसने मुझे बदनाम कर दिया. She defamed me. Defame का मतलब होता है बदनाम करना. ठीक है? She defamed me. Now, as we were doing the conversation of shifting to a new place, let's suppose Alina wants support. सामान थोड़ा सा shift करने में, since she is alone, so she wants an extra pair of hands. उनको थोड़ा सा हेल्प की जरूरत है, तो वो जाती है वैशाली के पास, उनको बोलती हैं कि आप थोड़ा सा हाथ लगा सकते हो. तो आप कैसे बोलोगे? थोड़ा सा मेरे साथ हाथ लगा सकते हो मींस मेरी हेल्प कर सकते हो. हाउ वुड यू से?
Can you lend me a hand?
हाँ. So here instead of can we'll say could you? Could you give me a hand, please? Could you give me a hand, please? Give me a hand. थोड़ा सा हाथ लगा दो तो सिंपली बोल सकते हैं give me a hand please. तो कुड लगाने की भी जरूरत नहीं. अगर कुड लगा के नहीं बोलना, थोड़ा सा हाथ लगा दो यार. give me a hand please. And when I ask you how are you doing Alina, how are you doing Vishali, Abhinav, how are you doing Rupak, how are you doing, तो आप इसका बेटर आंसर कैसे दे सकते हो? अगर आपको बोलना हो मैम अब तक तो सब ठीक है, कैसे बोलेंगे मैम अब तक तो सब ठीक है? How would you say? Try.
Now everything is right.
Okay. So far so good. So far so good. Next one is वो हमेशा डींगे मारता है. वो हमेशा डींगे मारता है. कैसे बोलेंगे इस चीज को? वो हमेशा डींगे मारता है.
He
He
always told
always talks big. Or you can say he always brags. He always brags. Brag का मतलब होता है डींगे मारना. नेक्स्ट इज तुमने ही मुसीबत मोल ली है. तुमने ही मुसीबत मोल ली है. हाउ वुड यू से? तुमने ही मुसीबत मोल ली है. मैंने तो मना किया था, तुमने ही मुसीबत मोल ली. You asked for it. You asked for it. उसकी बातों में मत आना. इस बात में मत आना, उस बात में मत आना, उसकी बातों में मत आना, उनकी बातों में मत आना. कैसे कहेंगे ये चीज? Don't fall for it. Don't fall for it. मैंने तुम्हें अपनी जबान दी है. मैं ये काम करूंगी ही करूंगी तुम्हारे लिए. मैंने तुम्हें अपनी जबान दी है. तो ये कैसे कह सकती हूँ मैंने अपनी जबान दी है?
I gave you a word. Yeah, I gave you my word.
I gave you my words. I gave you my words. या फिर you have my words. You have my words, मैं कभी धोखा नहीं दूंगी. You have my words, I will never ditch you. You have my words. दीवारों के भी कान होते हैं.
Even the walls have ears.
Yes. Walls have ears too. दीवारों के भी कान होते हैं. तुम एक नंबर के बुद्धू हो या तुम एक नंबर के आला दर्जे के मूर्ख हो, इसको कैसे बोलेंगे? या तो हम सिंपली बोल सकते हैं यू आर सच अ फूल, और यू कैन से यू आर अ goof. Goof. You are a big goof. आला दर्जे के मूर्ख हो, एक नंबर के बुद्धू हो. Now let's suppose वैशाली अलीना are two best friends, but उनके बीच में लड़ाई हो गई, they are not talking to each other. ठीक है, तो अलीना ने आके मुझसे बताया. मैंने कहा फिर अलीना आप वैशाली को कुछ क्यों कहते हो, आप मत बोला करो. तो अलीना कहती है मैम मैं कहाँ ही कुछ कहती हूँ. ठीक है, मैं कहाँ ही कुछ कहती हूँ. तो इस चीज को कैसे कहेंगे? मैम मैं कहाँ कुछ कहती हूँ. आप बोल सकते हो आई हार्डली इवन स्पीक.
और मैम ऐसा होता भी है मेरे साथ. मेरी जब सिस्टर से लड़ाई होती है तो मम्मी बोलती है तुम की बोलती है.
हाँ,
तो
मैं मम्मी को बोलना होता है मम्मी मैं कहाँ कुछ कहती हूँ.
मैं ये बोलती हूँ.
आई हार्डली इवन स्पीक. So these are some good sentences for the day. How many are these? 16. ठीक है. Noted.
Yes, sir.
So this is it for the day. Practice these sentences. I'll ask about it tomorrow. आप इससे sentences बनाओ, conversation create करो, stories cook करो, whatever you can do. I'll ask each one of you tomorrow. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay then, let's call it a day. I'll meet you tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.